I just got this bike. I haven't actually seen it in person yet. So this will be the first time I've actually seen it. I bought it, a couple of photos, sent the man his money, and here it is. Appears to be everything we said it was.
All the way up?
Well, I got the van in the way. We can just leave it right there.
Yeah, it might need some help. The tire's a little flat.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get it out the way.
I got the van blocking. There she is. Beautiful. 1956 FL. Nice little bike. Nice little bike. It's beautiful. Needs to work. Beautiful numbers, normal system, beautiful frame. There we go. Gorgeous little bike. A lot of stock stuff on it. Somebody probably put a lot of stock stuff. Nice little machine. All right.